Hi, my name is Hazim Shafiq. I want to explain about the history of MS Linux. So, MS Linux traces its origins to a collaboration between NTX Linux and Mapis Linux, two Debian-based distributions. In 2014, the project was formed to combine NTX lightweight performance with Mapis user-friendly features. The goal was to create a fast, stable, and intuitive Linux distribution. Next.
So, next, the first version of MX Linux was released in 2015, blending the best aspect of both NTX and MAPIS. It was designed to be efficient on older hardware while providing a comfortable and easy to use environment for new users. The release include MX Tools, a suite of utilities to make system management simpler.
You for to the previous presenter. So my name is Akmal. So in 2017, MX Linux 16 was launched, featuring the XFace desktop environment. So the XFace desktop environment is known with its great responsiveness and also its greatest system performance. So this release marks a significant step forward, offering a responsive, polished interface and introducing more advanced tools for managing the system, making it even more attractive to users. So it comes with a polished interface, which is the interface has been modified, uh, which is making it more attractive, more prettier, and also with more advanced tools, which is with a greater technology. So the user is impressed with the system. So the community around the project began to grow as users appreciated its balance of simplicity and power. So it comes with the simple concept and also its power in technology. So with all these features and also attributes, the MX Linux has been appreciated by the whole community and has been receiving a good response. So I will pass to the next presenter.
By 2019, MX Linux 18 was released, which was based on Debian storage. This version improved on performance and add refinements to the MS tool suite. It also offered better compatibility with the hardware, which is uh, it can adapt with the hardware, further solidifying MS Linux reputation for stability and reliability.
My name is Aiman Shamisah bin Azman Asnashah, and today I will be presenting paragraph 5 of the history of MX Linux. MX Linux 19 was released in 2020 and brought several improvements to enhance the user experience. It is based on Debian 10, which is known for being stable and reliable. One of the key features of this version is the use of XFCE 4.14 as a desktop environment. It is lightweight, fast, and more modern, which helps the system run smoothly even on older components. Another improvement in MX Linux 19 is the use of newer Linux kernel. This means it has better support for modern hardware such as newer processor, graphic cards, and other devices. As a result, user can expect better performance.
So I will be explaining the fact that in 2021, MX Linux 21, commonly known as Wildflower, was released based on Debian 11. This version provided even better hardware support, a refreshed set of MX tools, and an updated FXCE 4.16 desktop. MX Linux 21 continued the tradition of being a reliable, lightweight distribution suitable for both newcomers and seasoned Linux users.
Today, MX Linux remains one of the most popular and respected distributions in the Linux community. Its focus on performance, stability, and user friendliness has ensured a dedicated user following. The project continues to evolve, regularly releasing updates and new versions, maintaining its position as a top choice for Linux users worldwide.
To present about special features of MX Linux. So first is MX Tools Suite. So a collection of easy MX Tools Suite is a collection of easy-to-use graphical tools that simplify system management. Key tools include the MX Package Installer, MX Snapshot for creating custom ISO image, and MX Boot option. These tools make system administration much more accessible to beginners and powers users alike. So that's for MS2 suite.
So the second one is lightweight and fast. MS Linux is designed to be lightweight and resource efficient, making it ideal for both modern and older hardware. The default SFCE desktop environment is fast, responsive, and doesn't consume excessive system resources, allowing MS Linux to run smoothly on low-spec machine.
Thank you for the previous presenter. The next special features about this operating system is it is system D free, which is it is using sys So MX Linux stands out by using sys instead of systemd as its init system. So this appeals to users who prefer the traditional init system, offering a more minimal and less complex approach compared to the systemd, which is common in most modern Linux distributions. So as we know, most Linux distributions such as Fedora, Ubuntu, and others is using system D. But for this operating system, which is the MX Linux, it is using the sysvinit as its init system. Init system is the main in the system, which is when you start your uh, laptop or computer, the init system will be the first to operate. Yeah, I mean it will progress by the activation of the system and also the others. So uh, this one when it uses when it use it becomes stand out. I mean it becomes standing out from others and become different. And developers believe that sysvinit is more advanced, more transparent, and more lighter, which is when it is more lighter, it comes with a greater performance. So I will pass to the next presenter.
The number 4 for special features, there is keyboard stability with user-friendly enhancement. MS Linux is based on Debian, known for its rock-solid stability, while adding user-friendly features like the MS tools, suites, and pre-configured settings for easy setup. This gives MS Linux the best of both worlds. Debian stability with a more approachable, polished user interface, which is it has uh, it has user interface instead of the command line based interface.
Okay, next I will be presenting point 5, that is easy installation with live USB support. So another great feature of MX Linux is its live USB support. This means you can run MX Linux directly from a USB drive without installing it on your computer. It allows you to try out the system first and see how it works before making any changes to your computer. The installation process is also very user-friendly. The MX installer helps users easily set up the system, including partitioning the hard drive. It offers several installation options, making it simple for both beginners and experienced users to install the system based on their needs.
My name is Aaron Azri. Again, I will be explaining regarding the sixth most apparent special feature of our Linux system, which is the customizable XFCE desktop. So the MX Linux comes with the XFCE desktop environment, which is both lightweight and highly customizable. Through looks like MX Tweak, users can easily adjust themes, font, and Windows behavior to tailor deep top to their preference without needing advanced technical knowledge. So in this time, users are a little bit less receptive when it comes to the plain old boring old style of line by line command, and they prefer to be more they are able to interact more with for example simple s- user interfaces, maybe like buttons or setting up backgrounds which are more physically captivating to the user, which is bonus points for the MX Linux.
Number 7 is support for Flatpak, Snap and Apple Match. MX Linux includes built-in support for Flatpak, Snap and Apple Match, giving users access to a broad selection of software from multiple sources beyond Debian's standard repositories. This provides more flexibility when installing applications and accessing the latest software versions. These features collectively make MX Linux an appealing choice for a wide range of users, offering a great balance between performance and ease of use and flexibility.